In this video, I'm going to explain how to set up your Sketchup interface for a good working practice and explain some of the important tools that you will be using to navigate. So this applies to SketchUp Make 2017 or other versions of the desktop software. For those of you that are using the online version of SketchUp, your interface will look differently. So this won't apply. So the first thing you will notice is that you have a number of tools, a toolbar up here at the top of your screen. But I also like to use an expanded toolbar here on the side, which I find a lot easier to use. So to access this toolbar, if you can't see it, you should go to, where is it? View, Tool Palettes, Large Tool Set. So make sure that is checked on, and that will make this tool palette appear. Next, some of the main tools that you will be using to navigate around your space in SketchUp are the selection tool, which looks like an arrow. And this is going to allow you to click and choose objects around your space. You can either click or you can click and drag to choose an area and select everything inside of that area. So this is the selection tool. Next, to move around, you can use these tools down here. The Orbit tool allows you to, you click and you drag it around. It allows you to turn around your space to get a different view. And the pan tool allows you to, you click and drag, allows you to swipe around your space to, yeah. So the combination of these two tools is how you will be navigating around the space. You also have zoom tools, which you can use here. They're different zoom tools. They do different things. This one allows you to zoom in and out. So what I do here is I click and then slide forward or slide backwards to zoom in and out. On my computer, which is a Mac with a trackpad, I also have a shortcut, which is 2 fingers on the trackpad going one way or the other way to zoom in and out. So these 3 tools together is pretty much everything you need to move around your model. But in addition to this, there are also camera views, which you will find up here in the camera tab, camera standard views top, which will automatically change to a perspective where you're looking flat down on the ground. Camera bottom, so that's looking from underneath. Front, that's looking from the front. Back, you can imagine that's from the back. Left and right. You can't really see any difference here because this particular object doesn't turn around in space. But if I quickly draw an object, let's make something this so we can see that it's different. If I demonstrate all of these tools now, using the Orbit tool, I turn around my object. Using the pan tool, I can move around this way, like this. And using my camera tools now, top view, I see the top of my space. Front view, I see the front of my object. Let's look at all the cameras. Back view, that's the other side. Left and right. There you have it. The setting up your workstation with the tools, your workspace with the tool palette, and navigating around the space.